So this is a system that won't have a state operated or won't have state operated units. How will you ensure accountability? How will you ensure monitoring? How will you ensure safety? How will you ensure timely pickups? How do you decide which 20,000 children benefit? How many, to quote the opposition leader, Probox and AR wagon drivers does this plan need? How will you measure that taxpayers' money that you're going to run is being spent for the intended purpose? How? This alternative without more has CHAOS, chaos, written all over it. And Georgian listeners, viewers, I can already see, because this is Jamaica, the little Probox man being late or only running 2 trips, peak hour in the morning, gone back to carry the adults. Listen, the US has a state-led school bus program. Canada has a state-led school bus program. Let's take it to the region again. Grenada has rolled out a state-led school bus program. St. Kitts and Nevis has a state-led school bus program. Antigua and Barbuda has a state-led school bus program. Here comes the opposition with a subsidy-backed, taxi-led school transportation plan. What a condition.